Hi everybody and welcome back to Play It Again. I'm Sue.
I'm Chelsea.
We're so glad you joined us today. Thank you so very much for stopping by. We have another video for you today and it's an artist that we have done once before on the channel and it went over very well, and Chelsea was a big fan of this particular artist and I think she's going to like this one. So we'll see if you can get this one on the Name That Tune.
Okay.
All right.
See.
Let's close your eyes and let's see. Here we go. You know it already? I love it. I really.
Don't worry about a thing.
All right, so who is this?
That is Bob Marley.
That is Bob Marley, the one and only.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
Three Little Birds. This is.
I actually didn't know the title of that song.
Yeah, probably. I think, you know, the Don't Worry About a Thing, Every Little Thing's going to be all right.
Yeah.
I think is what people often think the song is called.
Yeah.
But it's called Three Little Birds,
Okay.
and it's a classic reggae song by Bob Marley. Good, uplifting song.
He's the best.
All right, press play, Chels.
Every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you." Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Saying, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
I mean, what a great message.
I love him.
I mean, this is the kind of song that you just can't be sad when you listen to it.
No.
It's so uplifting. It's just so positive, and yeah, just looking at the world in a different way. Just, you know,
Yeah.
everything's gonna be good. Just
Yeah.
keep on keeping on, right? I love it.
Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you." Meaning, don't worry about a thing. Worry about a thing, oh, every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry, singing, don't worry about a thing. I won't worry, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. I won't worry, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing.
How great is that?
Love
Absolutely love him.
him. Love him.
Yeah.
Love him.
Such a great artist,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And he is so, once you hear his voice, as soon as you hear his voice, it's kind of like, oh yeah, that's Bob Marley. Like, it's just
immediately
very
Yeah,
distinctive.
Immediately,
Very
and
distinctive.
even distinctive from his son,
Oh yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure.
You can tell the difference between the two of them.
Oh, for sure you can. Yeah. He's a genius. I absolutely love him. We'll have
Pure
to do
genius.
We'll have to do more. If you like reggae music and you would like us to do more reggae music, put it down in the comments. If you'd like us to do particularly Bob Marley, put that down in the comments as well, maybe your favorite song. But if there's another reggae artist that you would like us to do, put that down, because we'd be more than happy to do some reggae artists maybe that we don't know. I mean, reggae music is so vast. There's so many reggae artists that, you know, we don't even know about. I mean, they could be absolutely famous, huge stars in Jamaica, and we wouldn't even know about them. So we would love to learn more about reggae music as well.
Absolutely.
But that was fantastic. So my fun fact is that Bob Marley, of course, was inspired by everything around him. He paid close attention to absolutely everything, and he really tried to be as positive as he could, and he took inspiration from the smallest things. So this song actually is about three little birds. He was inspired by birds that used to come to his porch every morning, and he felt that these birds were telling him and singing to him and saying, don't worry about a thing, because everything's going to be all right. And that's where the inspiration of this song actually came from.
Totally believe that.
It actually came from birds on his porch.
Yeah.
So that's why it's called Little Birds.
He was the epitome of being in the moment. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just being in the moment.
Yeah, and I think we could
Great
probably
message.
all learn more from that.
I try
to be in the
every day
moment.
to do that,
Yeah.
but you can always try even harder.
Yeah, I think you're better at that than I am. But I shall try harder.
Be in the moment.
Yeah.
Live in the moment.
Yeah. Great advice. Great
Well
advice,
done,
Chelsea.
Mr. Marley.
All right, that was a ton of fun. I really loved that. So we will definitely do more Bob Marley, won't we?
Absolutely.
Yes. All right, everybody, have a joyful day, and we'll see you
And
all
Ziggy,
again
we
next.
should do some Ziggy
We could do
stuff,
some
too.
Ziggy or any other reggae music.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah. All right, have a joyful day, everyone. We'll
Bye.
see you all again next time. Bye-bye.